Let's learn some fun P words together, and its sound.
Pig, pig, pig.
P is for pig. A pig is a farm animal with a round body and a curly tail. Say it with me. P, pig.
Pig, pig, pig. Pen, pen, pen.
A pen is a writing tool that uses ink to make marks on paper.
Pancake, pancake, pancake.
A pancake is a soft, flat food that is cooked in a pan. Say pancake.
Pancake, pancake, pancake. Parrot, parrot, parrot.
A parrot is a colorful bird with a strong curved beak. Many parrots can copy sounds they hear.
Pizza, pizza, pizza.
Pizza is a food made with a flat dough base and toppings such as cheese and vegetables. Loud and clear, say pizza.
Pizza, pizza, pizza. Penguin, penguin, penguin.
A penguin is a bird that cannot fly, but is an excellent swimmer. Penguins use their wings like flippers to help them move through water.
Penguin, penguin, penguin. Peanut, peanut, peanut.
A peanut is a type of legume that grows underground. Peanuts can be used to make foods such as peanut butter.
Plant, plant, plant.
Plants need things like water, light, and air to grow. Many plants make their own food using sunlight. P, plant.
Plant, plant, plant.
Let's say our P words one more time. Pancake, pen, pig, parrot, penguin, peanut, plant, pizza. Great job, little learners. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more learning videos every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Home Learner TV. Tap the bell so you never miss a fun lesson. See you next time. Bye-bye, learners.